You must not use luxury hair to be beautiful, my dear. If you have blend hair, you can still use it, work it very well, and use it. Once you are taking that your blend frontal hair to a good hairstylist, I promise you it will come out nice. So this my beautiful customer visited me all the way from Oka to Onitsha to come and fix her frontal for her 8-day shoot. She also booked us for her nails and her cluster lashes. You will see the result by the end of this video, so keep watching. So here I am busy fixing her frontal, trying everything possible to give her the style that we choose online. And my students were helping me. They are fixing her nails, both the toenails and the hand. And I was the one that let her fix her cluster lashes. So here, one thing with installing blend hair is that you just need to be skeptical on what you are doing. Take your time, prep your client's scalp, remove any unnecessary oil that will make your hair or your work not to come out nice. And I love how she relaxed, trusting the process from day one. While installing blend hair, be mindful of how you brush, how you draw the hair, so that you will not pull the hair off your client's hair. You know, looking at this, my client from her side, you will think that she might be a complaining client, but no, she was so humble, so kind, honestly. And she was so relaxed while my students were working on her, because some clients don't like when a student or a worker is doing their nails or their hair or any other thing in the salon. Some of them will always be complaining. Even if the hair come out well, they will say that the hair is not fine because they wanted the madam to be the one to do the work. But I am so happy the way she relaxed. Even she was praising her. One of my girl that was doing the nail, she was praising her because the nail came out well, and it makes the work so easier for me, because if the client is complaining concerning the nail, me that is doing the installation, I will not be that relaxed, you know. I will not be that relaxed. Looking at her face, you see that she is just a very humble soul. She don't have problem. Even when we are creating content while doing the hair, she was still vibing and full, vibing with us. So guys, as you can see, the hair is already giving a very beautiful look. Here I am doing her edges, because the style that we choose, I will add edges. And I am packing the hair here because this came with this particular packing. I am packing and trying to create that style here. So here I'm almost done. I'm finishing up, and this is my student work on her hands. Do you see how beautiful this nail was? She loved the outcome, and she gave her exactly what she wanted. So that's aside. And her hair, guys, tell me what you think of her hair. From a scale of 1 to 10, rate how beautiful this hair was, how neat and how well slicked and melted this blend hair came out. Do you see what I told you? You can always rock your blend hair. Once you take it to a good hairstylist, nobody will know. Nobody can tell it's a blend hair. See how well melted it was. And she loved her hair. So guys, coming to her lashes, see how her lashes came out. She went for cat eye lashes, cluster lashes, and it came out well. It ate, and at the end of everything, she left a satisfied client, ready to rock and enjoy her birthday celebration. Thank you for watching. Follow, like, share, comment if you love what we do. See you on our next video. Bye.